Today was a big win for hundreds of salons and barbershops. They got to resume indoor services again if county health officials gave their okay. And so far, all the counties that have responded to our questions tell us they have given the okay. All businesses must follow guidelines for social distancing, face coverings, and cleaning. Malls can reopen as well, but they have to operate at 25% capacity for now.
Dr. Olivia Kasiri with the Sacramento County joins us live now to talk more about the health requirements that the salons and barbershops have met so that they can resume indoor services. So, they've been waiting for this now for a while. Tell us exactly how they were able to meet these requirements or how the county was able to meet these requirements.
So, as you've mentioned, the county is in Tier 1, which is purple. And so we're permitted to open the barbershops and hair salons. The reason that decision was made was because we've had now over 6 months experience with COVID-19. And some of the lessons learned is that when certain businesses are able to implement measures, mitigation measures, they can actually provide services in a safe manner. And that was the decision that was made for the barbershops and hair salons because they require an appointment and they can control how many people are in the salon at one time. And they can also, throughout the services, be able to wear face coverings and can also do the hand sanitizing. So for those reasons, those were selected to be able to open at this time.
So we know what works at this point in the pandemic. Sacramento County, again, classified as having widespread risk of the virus. Where are you seeing the majority of these cases?
The cases are in different places. There are some zip codes that, like 95823, that we know are high, but that's probably due to population density. But in general, we're getting the cases from everywhere in Sacramento, and that's why we tell people that all of us need to work together to get these numbers down.
Dr. Kasiri, some of these new requirements say, for example, 25% capacity at retail, shopping malls, hair salons. How is that going to be enforced? Who's going to be responsible for making sure that a business is following that 25% capacity rule?
That responsibility is mainly with the shop owners. They're the ones who would have to manage how many people, and they can determine what their capacity is, and they can count how many people. And I've seen this happen at some of the stores where they will let you know that they will only allow maybe 15 people at a time in the store. So it will be their responsibility, but at times when we do get complaints, we may have county officials also pay a visit to some of these facilities.
Dr. Kasiri, as always, thank you so much for joining us and explaining this to all of our viewers.
Thank you.